Alright guys, time to talk about BNB on the channel once again. Now I haven't talked about this for some time, and as you guys know, this is my #1 altcoin that I have in my bag. And I usually call this the poor man's Bitcoin. And yeah, I mean, I didn't think I was going to talk about it today actually, but looking at what's developing here today, you know, it's at its all-time high again, guys. So it only needs like about $5 more to break this all-time high from the wick that it, created today so far. So yeah, we're right there, guys. I mean, we're only right now about $15 or $16 away, and yeah, it's just been pumping today, guys. I don't know why. I don't know what happened, but everything is pumping, and sometimes it's for no good reason. It's just really, oversold, guys. And it's been, pushed down and held down for so long. It's like other coins. They're going to pop at some point, guys. So sitting here at $706, this would be the highest weekly close we've ever had as long as we close above 675. And that means by Sunday, Monday this week, now we have a long time to go, anything can happen. But we just have to wait and see, guys. Now, on a daily time frame, it looks like this candle closed at 7/11/20. So we'll see. We're very close to that, actually. Only about $4 away, but we still have a lot of time, guys. We could close higher, of course. Hopefully we don't double top here. Now, we do kind of have like a cup and handle here, although it's kind of ugly. It's kind of jagged a lot, but it has really followed this, cup pattern. So yeah, I just think this is a really healthy chart no matter what. You do have pretty much higher lows since August, and yeah, I mean, this chart looks really good in my opinion. Anyways, let's take a look at the tokenomics here, guys. Basically, the max supply is 200 million for BNB. And basically, they burn coins, guys. I don't even know if this is really updated. They usually do, I think, quarterly burns. And I think this has been always like 145. Every time I look here, it's 145. But I know they have quarterly burns, every quarter. So that's 4 burns a year. They may have less than this. I have seen some things on Twitter before, and I'm just not sure if that number aligns up with this. But anyways, you probably should research that yourself. But even so, guys, 200, million coins is almost nothing. And basically, when only, 75% of that is out or less, that's really low, guys. So I really love BNB. It's from the biggest, exchange on the planet, crypto exchange. And yeah, I just think this is really a safe play. In my opinion, guys, BNB is going to see much higher prices. I think BNB will probably at least double, if not triple, this cycle. So that's my prediction for BNB. It's anybody's guess, though. Anything can happen. We just have to wait and see, guys. But BNB, if you don't have it, I, would recommend it, although that's not financial advice, of course. But yeah. Alright, now let's jump into Bitcoin real quick here. As you can see, it's pretty much sandwiched between this trend line. That's been holding up the price for a few days now. And basically, we need to jump above this $98,000 mark on the weekly time frame here. And then I think we're back off to the races towards $100,000 and more, guys. Now remember, there are several targets that I have marked off on this PC. 105, we got 100,700. I even marked off another target on another, little flag here, and it went to like 102 before. So anywhere between like 100,700 to 105,000, we have targets basically. And yeah, I just, we need to break above this, 98,000 first, and then I think we're going to make another attempt at that. Now, if we take a look at the total market cap, guys, this includes Bitcoin, by the way. Basically, we have retested this little line again today, and we're getting a little bit better of a bounce today. And yeah, I think we're going to continue to the upside. Might not get a giant green candle today, but probably tomorrow I think we can start pumping once again, because a lot of coins are pumping. So now if we take a look at the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, it looks a little bit better. And yeah, I mean, we have what, 5 days in a row of green, and yeah, this is looking really good, guys. It doesn't look like it really wants to stop. And now if we go to the Bitcoin dominance chart, you can see that it's trying to actually get back above the 55.93% here. It did get quite a bounce here off the 55.07 mark. And let's see where this ends up today. You know, pretty much almost every day we've been crashing through a level though, guys. And yesterday was the only exception where we kind of spent the day here. But yeah, we crashed through today and we hit this line, but we did get a good bounce on it. And it's not really a good bounce for those who hold altcoins, but you know, the lower we go, the better for altcoin holders like myself. Now, altcoin season has come down a little bit here. It's at an 80, but that's still really good, guys. I do think we're going to shoot up even higher. I think we're going to be anywhere between 90 and 100, you know, soon. Might not hit 100. I don't know if we've ever hit 100 actually. But yeah, I think we're going to definitely probably hit 90, maybe even 95. Taking a look at the fear and greed, guys, we're at a 76. I would like to see it come down a little bit more. Somewhere like 68 to 70 would be kind of ideal, I think. And, you know, we don't want to spend too much time in extreme greed, or you can probably expect a big crash, guys. Now, talking about interest rate cuts, there is 72% still believing that we're going to get a quarter-point cut. I am in that myself. I do believe we're going to get a quarter-point cut. I don't think anything is really going to change that at this moment. And, yeah, I mean, this small majority over here that thinks we're not going to get anything, you know, I think they're going to be quite surprised. But yeah, I do believe we will get something. I think it's going to be a little bit of a Christmas bonus to us. Now, we do have some economic numbers coming out this week. We do have some PMI tomorrow in the European Union, also PMI in the U.S. We also got factory orders and, you know, ISM numbers here. That's kind of important, guys. Fed Chair Powell is speaking tomorrow. Thursday, not much going on. We do have jobless claims. And then Friday, guys, non-farm payrolls is most important. But we also have Michigan numbers. We do have a couple of speakers here as well, FOMC speakers, but mainly non-farm payrolls is most important. Now, looking at crypto bubbles once again, you know, a few hours ago it wasn't very nice, guys. Now we do still have a couple of projects in the red here. Chainlink, which had an excellent day yesterday, actually. So naturally it's going to come down. Stellar, you know, it's been just really nuts lately. So yeah, it's slightly red, I guess. XRP as well, guys. You know, all of those three are, I think, okay, good projects. But yeah, so, you know, naturally there's going to be a few projects that had really good days. They're going to cool off a bit. And other things, you know, are going to take off. For example, Ondo or Tron, actually has taken off. Sui is, you know, is starting to pick back up again too. So we're starting to see some projects that cooled off, that maybe started off this run like Sui and is now, you know, picking back up. Now, if you want to stake your coins, guys, just go to Coinondo and, for example, type in Bitcoin. It'll give you a list of places where you can stake. Keep in mind, we're probably getting towards the end of the bull run. Like, I think we're going to have 9 more months maximum. And yeah, you don't want to really stake for too long, guys, because if you get stuck, you know, with, for example, 180 days, who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's shorter. And maybe it is 6 months or maybe 5 months. We just have to wait and see, guys. So basically, you don't want to lock up too long. You know, that's what I suggest. That's what I'm doing. I'm not locking things more than 30 days right now. And probably even after the next month or two, I'm probably just going to switch to totally flexible staking, if anything, you know. So, yeah, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.